AI content has begun, and it's just the beginning. We're watching a war unfold, but not between brands, between how content is made. AI generative content is no longer a side project. It's now a commercial weapon, used by creators to spec Coca-Cola, McDonald's, IKEA, and more. This isn't a perfect future, it's just the beginning of one. A few months ago, Google's VEO dropped a new generative video model capable of creating cinematic quality 1080p video from text prompts. And it's not alone. Runway, Sora, Pika, Luma, Kling, and more, all competing to redefine how we produce stories, ads, films, and even product shots. Coca-Cola's Masterpiece campaign used generative AI to animate iconic artworks, turning static paintings into moving storytelling. Botticelli's Venus handing off a Coke? Generated. It wasn't gimmick, it was cultural reimagination. IKEA's Assembling the Future concept. Not just renders, AI-generated product concepts, dreamlike living spaces, even potential AR shopping tools built with Gen AI vision. They're not replacing creativity, they're expanding it. Why it matters? This isn't about replacing creatives, it's about giving creatives superpowers. A solo creator can now build what once took an agency. A small brand can create a global ad without a global budget. Testing 100 visual versions of a concept now takes minutes. The playing field is shifting. Fast. Let's be honest, the tech isn't perfect. Faces still glitch, movements can feel robotic, and sure, some people are skeptical, rightfully so. But just like digital photography once replaced film, or smartphones replaced cameras, generative content isn't a phase. It's a new era of storytelling, one we're just stepping into. I'm not saying AI is the answer, but it's a tool we can no longer afford to ignore. Because if you're a creator or a brand, and you're not experimenting with it, you're already behind. Let's not fear the tech, let's shape it with taste, ethics, and curiosity. I'm Alvis, bringing you bold stories at the edge of brand, culture, and creativity. Follow for more episodes like this, because the future doesn't wait, and the next wave of content won't be made the old way.